Hello and welcome. It's a beautiful day here in Queensland, very warm. I'm sorry if you're having rain or cold weather or snow. Summer is on the way for you guys, and summer is probably on its way out for us in Australia. So, but yeah, it's been beautiful, so can't deny that here in Australia. So today I am pouring on this round canvas, and I'm going to do it with the 4-chamber split cup. I might add more than one colour to each chamber, not sure yet. So I'm using the global colours. The pouring medium is in the drop down box, and I'm going to get on my way. I am not going to bore you with, oh, there you go, it doesn't hold so much as I thought it did. This is the smaller cup. I do have, oh, where's it gone? I do have the larger one for bigger canvases, so I'll drop a link to the 2 suppliers. There's one in Australia and there's one in the US that I have that sent me these cups, so I will pop their link there. So that was the fluoro orange, and this is my homemade custom colour. I call it Berry Delicious because it is berry delicious. That hasn't quite filled that up, so I'm going to add some fluoro pink to that. That should be pretty good. Oh, they look delicious colours, hey? And then this is the cool red. Dropped a bit in there, never mind. I'm adding this, it's called Deep Sea. It was a colour from Global. It's kind of a green blue. Yeah, maybe like Deep Sea. Okay. I am going to, some of my white I'm going to do this with. Just because I can, no particular reason. I just haven't done it before, and I want to see if it creates anything. So here we go, wing and a prayer. Oh, let's get this. Got it dribbling down there. All those colours are very delicious together, I must say. That's absolutely plenty of paint, I believe, for this particular canvas. Wow, look at that. Look at those colours. And there you go, that was the gecko, my local friendly gecko. He or she obviously thinks it's okay too, giving the tut 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 tut. Oh wow, look at that. Oh, look at this through here, looks just, oh, I don't want it. Looks like a branch. There you go. I don't want to tilt any more off this effect through here like the branch. That's beautiful. That's very, very nice. Oh, love that one. Love that one. Maybe just going to tilt it off a little bit there. Wowzers trousers. I just wanted to put that white in. I'm actually very happy with that, just that bit of contrast in there. That's gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. So there was a quickie for you. In the 4-chamber split cup. Love it. Love it. Actually, I could see some little, I'm not going to put heat on it, you see, because I put floetrol in this paint. And if I put heat on it, pretty sure that it's going to just sell up like crazy. I'll give it a quick go with the heat wand, hey? No, it didn't sell up like crazy. There you go. Well, I'm very happy with that. That's very, it's got some really cool effects in it, hasn't it? Well, these split cups are very much fun to do lots of different things with. I will just let it dry off for a little bit, and then I will put some photos on of in case it sells up, and then I'll put some dry photos. So thank you so much for thank you so much for joining me. That was just a quick little ditty for you, and I really like it. Okay, so I hope you do too, and I'll see you guys again tomorrow. And there was the gecko. Okay, bye for now.